Welcome back to Infinite Infotainment. In today's fast-paced world, it's all too easy to neglect ourselves as we juggle work, family, and countless other responsibilities. However, self-care is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Taking the time to nurture our bodies and minds is essential for our overall well-being, and one of the most indulgent ways to do this is through pampering our skin. Our skin is our largest organ, and it serves as a protective barrier against environmental stressors and toxins. Over time, these external factors can take a toll, leaving our skin looking dull, dry, and lackluster. That's why it's crucial to incorporate regular self-care rituals into our routines, and one of the most effective and luxurious ways to do this is through a detoxifying bath soak. A detoxifying bath soak is more than just a relaxing soak in the tub. It's a rejuvenating experience that can help flush out impurities, nourish your skin, and leave you feeling refreshed and revitalized. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of a detoxifying bath soak and provide you with a step-by-step guide to creating your own extraordinary DIY bath soak tailored to your specific skincare needs. Before we dive into the recipe for our DIY bath soak, let's explore the numerous benefits that a detoxifying soak can offer for your skin and overall well-being. Promotes relaxation and stress relief. Immersing yourself in a warm bath can help alleviate muscle tension, reduce stress levels, and promote a sense of calm and tranquility. The act of soaking in a bath can be a form of meditation, allowing you to disconnect from the outside world and focus on your inner peace. Improves skin texture and appearance. Many of the ingredients used in a detoxifying bath soak, such as sea salt, clay, and essential oils, can help to gently exfoliate dead skin cells, unclog pores, and improve skin texture and radiance. Aids in detoxification. Our bodies are constantly exposed to toxins from various sources, including pollution, processed foods, and even household products. A detoxifying bath soak can help to draw out these impurities through the skin, leaving you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Boosts circulation. The warmth of the bath can help to improve blood circulation, which in turn can promote healthier skin and a more radiant complexion. Provides nourishment for the skin. Many of the ingredients used in a detoxifying bath soak, such as oils and butters, can help to hydrate and nourish the skin, leaving it feeling soft, supple, and revitalized. The key to creating an extraordinary DIY bath soak lies in selecting the right ingredients that cater to your specific skincare needs. Here are some of the most popular and effective ingredients to consider. Epsom salt, rich in magnesium and sulfates. Epsom salt can help to detoxify the body, reduce inflammation, and soothe sore muscles. Sea salt. Sea salt is a natural exfoliant that can help to slough off dead skin cells and improve skin texture. Baking soda. Baking soda is a gentle abrasive that can help to remove impurities and leave your skin feeling soft and smooth. Clay, bentonite, kaolin, or French green clay. Clay is highly absorbent and can help to draw out toxins and impurities from the skin. Essential oils. Essential oils not only provide a luxurious aroma, but also offer various therapeutic benefits. Some popular choices include lavender for relaxation, eucalyptus for respiratory support, and frankincense for its anti-aging properties. Dried herbs and flowers. Herbs and flowers can add a touch of natural fragrance and color to your bath soak, while also providing additional skin-nourishing benefits. Some popular options include rose petals, lavender buds, and chamomile flowers. Carrier oils and butters. Oils and butters such as coconut oil, jojoba oil, and shea butter can help to hydrate and nourish the skin, leaving it feeling soft and supple. Now that you understand the benefits of a detoxifying bath soak and have an idea of the ingredients to choose from, let's dive into the step-by-step process of creating your own extraordinary DIY bath soak. Ingredients: 1 cup of Epsom salt, half a cup of sea salt, a quarter cup of baking soda, a quarter cup of bentonite clay, 10 to 15 drops of essential oils, such as lavender, eucalyptus, or frankincense, a quarter cup of dried herbs or flowers like rose petals, lavender buds, or chamomile flowers, 2 tablespoons of carrier oil or butter such as coconut oil, jojoba oil, or shea butter. In a large bowl, combine the Epsom salt, sea salt, baking soda, and bentonite clay. Mix well to ensure the ingredients are evenly distributed. Add the essential oils and mix thoroughly. The essential oils will not only provide a lovely aroma but also offer additional therapeutic benefits. Gently fold in the dried herbs or flowers. These natural ingredients will not only add a touch of color and fragrance but also contribute to the overall detoxifying and nourishing properties of your bath soak. Finally, add the carrier oil or butter and use your hands to thoroughly incorporate it into the mixture. This step will help to hydrate and nourish your skin during the bath. Transfer the mixture to an airtight container or jar and store it in a cool, dry place until ready to use. When you're ready to indulge in your detoxifying bath soak, simply add half to 1 cup of the mixture to a warm bath and allow it to dissolve completely. Soak for 20 to 30 minutes, taking deep breaths and allowing the warmth and therapeutic properties of the bath to work their magic. While the DIY bath soak itself is a luxurious treat, there are a few additional steps you can take to transform your bathroom into a spa-like oasis. Set the mood, dim the lights, light some candles, and play soothing music to create a relaxing ambiance. Incorporate aromatherapy. Place a few drops of essential oils on a diffuser or add a few drops to a bowl of hot water to fill the room with a calming or invigorating aroma. Hydrate. Keep a pitcher of water or a refreshing beverage nearby to stay hydrated during and after your soak. Exfoliate before soaking. Gently exfoliate your skin before entering the bath to remove any dead skin cells and allow the detoxifying ingredients to penetrate more effectively. Indulge in a face mask. While soaking, apply a nourishing face mask to complement the detoxifying benefits of the bath soak. Moisturize. After your soak, gently pat your skin dry and apply a moisturizer or body butter to lock in the hydration and nourishment. While a detoxifying bath soak can be enjoyed at any time, there are certain times when it may be particularly beneficial. After a workout, a warm bath soak can help to soothe sore muscles and alleviate any post-workout aches and pains. During menstrual cycles, many women find that a detoxifying bath soak can help to alleviate cramps and discomfort associated with menstrual cycles. When feeling stressed or anxious, the relaxing properties of a bath soak can help to calm the mind and reduce feelings of stress and anxiety. Before bedtime, a warm bath before bed can help to promote better sleep by relaxing the body and mind. After exposure to environmental toxins, if you've been exposed to pollutants, chemicals, or other environmental toxins, a detoxifying bath soak can help to flush out these impurities from the body. To create the most effective and luxurious DIY bath soak, it's essential to use high-quality ingredients. Here are some trusted sources to consider. Online retailers. Websites like Mountain Rose Herbs, Star West Botanicals, and Brambleberry offer a wide range of high-quality organic ingredients for bath and body products. Local health food stores. Many health food stores and natural grocery stores carry a variety of bulk ingredients, such as Epsom salt, baking soda, and essential oils. Herb and spice shops. Local herb and spice shops can be a great source for dried herbs, flowers, and other botanical ingredients. Farmers markets. Look for local vendors selling handmade bath and body products or offering high-quality ingredients like sea salt and clay. Online marketplaces. Platforms like Etsy offer a wide range of handmade and artisanal bath and body products, as well as individual ingredients from small businesses and independent sellers. In our fast-paced modern world, it's easy to neglect our own well-being in favor of meeting the demands of our daily lives. However, self-care is not a luxury, it's a necessity. By taking the time to nurture our bodies and minds, we can improve our overall health, reduce stress, and enhance our quality of life. One of the most indulgent and rejuvenating forms of self-care is a detoxifying bath soak. Not only does it provide a luxurious and relaxing experience, but it also offers numerous benefits for our skin and overall well-being. From promoting relaxation and stress relief to improving skin texture and aiding in detoxification, a DIY bath soak can be a game-changer for your skincare routine. By following the step-by-step guide provided in this video, you can create your own extraordinary DIY bath soak tailored to your specific needs. With the right ingredients and a little bit of effort, you can transform your bathroom into a spa-like oasis and indulge in a truly rejuvenating experience. So, why not take the first step towards embracing self-care and indulging in a detoxifying bath soak today? Your mind, body, and skin will thank you. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and subscribe to Infinite Infotainment for more health and wellness content. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And as always, we'd love to hear from you. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay healthy, stay informed, and keep exploring the wonders of natural health.